Sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, make the easiest and tastiest chocolate pralines ever. Fruity and refreshing inside, but with typical chocolate crunch outside, made with just 2 simple ingredients. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, take 3 mandarins and peel them. Next, melt 2 ounces of a dairy-free and sugar-free dark chocolate. Cover your mandarins with it. Place them onto a parchment paper. And let them cool in the fridge. Now enjoy super tasty and super easy chocolate pralines! Thanks for watching!